recording, you're vlogging.
Oh, hey guys. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to the video.
I think he was at
Welcome back to another video.
I think that he was at the...
Matthew's the star of this show.
I'm camera shy.
Do something. Alright, so Matthew, he's new to the photography gang right now. So look at this guy, he's got a backpack and everything. So I'll start taking some pictures. Alright.
I'm grassroots photography.
So all the 240s right now don't actually want to park with the Miata. This guy's actually scared to park his car. Where's your car, Matthew?
We're not talking about that.
Where's your car?
We're not talking about
Where's
that.
your car?
It's over yonder.
Guys, he parked his car over yonder by that. See those lights? Over there. What a punk. What a punk. This guy's drinking root beer.
Cream soda, dude. Get it right.
Come on.
Get it together.
The cage looks really cool.
Thanks.
But why not both? Why can't I look good and slide around?
That was almost good. Like, that was almost good. I got you a little bit.
Sure.
I hit it every time I see it.
Matthew almost did it.
I'm just gonna hit it just to get it over with.
I hit it every time I see it.
Those mirrors, man. Like, people don't. Why is it those mirrors? Like, people don't walk into my mirrors.
I mean, they're dark. They're hard to see.
I don't know. I mean, I don't walk into David's mirrors, but I walk into yours for whatever reason.
Where'd it go?
Hey,
That's a problem for you,
back
right?
up.
Though?
It is a problem.
Yeah.
Because I parked this thing in my garage and my parents will fucking bump into it and then it's gone. Especially that side. I can't reach that
Yeah, I know.
side. Yo, okay, but the funny part though, that side was like off for like the past month and I was like, okay, whatever. And then my dad bumped into it today and perfectly aligned it. Fuck you.
Wait, I got you.
It's back. Don't worry.
How do you know?
Cause you put it back exactly where it was. Oh, now okay.
Now you're like loosening this.
Now you gotta blame him.
You're loosening it so much. I don't have Allen wrenches. Oh, what the fuck?
I got It's set in my trunk.
You?
Oh, dude, we can take off his canards and test it out on the bumper.
Let's just disassemble his car right now.
Let's start drilling his rivets out of his hood.
We'll give these vents to somebody. It's like
No, like 4 people
Holiday-
have asked me to ask
holiday
for him where these vents have come from.
Holiday
I'm not even
From
kidding.
the fucking internet, dude. Like, I don't know.
Well, like what brand they are.
Track
canards
spec.
come right off the
Track
floor.
spec, give me a sponsor. I have so many people have asked me where these hood vents come from, and every time I tag Track spec and I tag Track spec into my photos, and they haven't given me a sponsor yet. Like, dude, come on, guys.
Oh my god, desperate.
Dude, okay, what I really want is I really want fender vents for my car, but they haven't made fender vents. I've emailed them. I've straight up gone out of my way to be like, yo, there is a market for this. Make them.
Just
They
get
made
a
them.
There's a market for these.
They made them for the
Me.
Yeah, I'll buy 20 of them right now.
Just get a GT3 RS, man. I don't know what to tell you, boss.
No, they make them for the S2000. Why don't they make them for this car?
Because the S2000's faster.
Not true. Not
You
true.
said it yourself. I've been there when you said it yourself. You said if you were to go back and do it again, you would have gone S2000.
He did say
Okay,
this.
okay, that's true.
I might have it on video,
While
too.
that's true, every S2000 event at the track with, I've beat.
Hey, don't litter your root beer.
It was cream soda.
Thank you. Thank you. Someone gets it.
Same thing, bro. A&W can. It's root beer.
Oh, you thought. How wide do you think my gap is?
You can put like 6 of those in my fender.
Oh, you're a dick.
Without them being crushed.
Yo, do you want me to drill in your front plate for you on your sick front bumper?
Oh, never had one, never will.
You need some hella horns, dude.
No,
What?
I'm not a Subi.
Right, last time I hung out with Luke, Luke was complaining about how no one looks at his car, but then he pops his hood and everyone looks at his car.
That's usually how it goes.
Dude, let's trade turbos real quick.
Hey, you got a little filter there now.
What, this one? I know, it's not just screen. Sounded cooler. That's because I actually have the blow up hooked up.
Oren, vlog for me.
What's up, guys? This is Christian Meyer's channel. Today we're at a car show in
2 hours later.
Burbank. I totally know where we are. I'm gonna be showing you guys some cool builds, especially this one white FRS, which I'm not gonna plug that. Actually, I'm gonna plug it. Nairman98 on Instagram. Everyone knows where I am because I am on all of your videos.
Dude, every time you see an FRS or an NSX, you talk shit about it.
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Okay. The NSX is lame because they put so much money into R&D for this car so they could build the hybrid drivetrain system for this car just to make a car a little bit faster than the GTR, which has an engine from 2009. That's lame, but that's a pretty car.
This is what I deal with.
You give every time?
Every
He's got it
single
dialed.
time. Every
He's got it
time.
dialed.
He doesn't stutter because he's done it so many times.
Should I put the rear bumper back on, or should I get some type of diffuser? Or just leave it how it is?
Is it legal to run no bumper?
Yes, but it's illegal to have no license plate. Light. But so like his is here and then has a light there, but mine's just
I kind of like it.
mine's just chilling out. Yeah, so do I.
I think you should get a diffuser though.
If I track the car, I'm definitely not running a rear bumper. When I track it.
I wanted to put those huge rings, but I thought it was gonna be too much. So I was like, never mind.
I'm not the biggest fan of chassis wings. I almost didn't put the Rocky Bunny lip because I wanted to get an APR wing, but we'll see. I'll probably have run both at some point.
Yeah, right?
Because I know people that do that too.
Yeah, I've seen people that do that too.
So at the moment there are 3 S chassis without a rear bumper.
Look at those mirrors.
Trend.
I kind of want to do that to my car.
On the fender mounted?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've seen it on your car too.
Yeah. 240s here.
Yeah, it's sick. And Juan is still coming too, apparently, at some point. Okay. No way, dude. That's a single cam in there. Like the KA24E. Damn, I want to see that bay. That valve cover looks sweet.
That's what came out of yours, right?
Yeah, it's still sitting outside my house. Rumchuck is gonna pick it up.
Actually?
Yeah, it's right next to the STI. Dude, that's a single cam. I want to see the bay. Like just looking at the valve cover. Yo, Street Faction gang, bro.
It's better. I
With
did
the
it for
Rocket Bunny diffuser. Yeah.
because with all the power and like the 240 too much torque.
Damn, son. He got the tow hook add-on too. I didn't get that. That was the only add-on I didn't get. I was we're making the meme. Oh, another kooky, bro. There's so many S chassis.
Lay down and then I make him like push me up.
I always wondered that.
Dave, take a bite.
Or pop your head so a bunch of people come and look at your stock engine. But they'll still look. You'll still get more attention over here.
The AC deletes like halfway there.
Wait, you didn't finish?
Well, okay, I did finish, but the car was not up because I haven't gotten the delete kit yet. So there's just a pulley missing, so I just put back the pump.
Oh, I got you. But dude, are you worried? Because your diffuser, that little like fin is kind of angled out that way. Do you think it's fucking your car at like 120 miles an hour? It's like making you go to the left more than you want.
Dude, at 122 miles an hour specifically, my old splitter started to flap on the front.
Like hers?
Yeah, like hers, except
Like
for
mine.
more significantly. Yeah, so now I don't know what to do with my new
More
splitter.
significantly, half of it was gone.
You felt it. The entire front of the car was like.
What's the difference between a Gorilla Pod and a tripod?
Gorilla Pods are like those little flexible ones that are like that tall. You probably want a tripod. One of you guys, just get an S chassis. Come on. Like, stop playing games. Look at that kooky right there. You know you want it, Christian.
It's just not financially responsible.
There's so many S chassis here. It's
Buying
amazing.
another car just isn't financially responsible,
What? Daily driving a Miata is not practical.
but it's financially responsible.
You don't need practicality. You just
Yeah, I
go
know.
to and from school.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm fine daily driving my Miata. Anyway.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. Killing the game and I gotta go ask anybody, they all heard about it. They know when they kidding, he spitting it, know when he getting it, bit and I get in my way. Got this, I like do whatever I say, cause I could go put you on blast. People been mad at me cause I don't follow them back. I'm laughing cause that is so whack. Why they all trying to act like they been bossing when really their bosses been bossing them up? Nobody ever been telling me what I would do when I keeping the cash for the shit out of luck. I want it more, now I get what I wish. Upgrading now with the pants that I whip. Making 6 figures, don't talk about it. Money and shit, it's about how you think. Tired of people.
Well, it sits in the garage.
Oh, that's
It's in the garage.
I'm over here.
Have you ever seen people?
Can I like flag this video for harassment? This is not consensual. This is not consensual. I don't even know this guy. He just films me and comes to my house sometimes.
I think you've been to my house more than I've been to your house.
That's true.
Never paid your
It's just
sister
like
for the
you
in and
looked
out.
up.
I forgot. I realized that.
You owe me one. Let me drive
I
your
owe
car.
your sister one.
Let me drive your car.
Doesn't he owe you half a training?
Hey.
And
Yeah, but it's still it's that.
It's the messes up the angle, huh? Okay.
Major S chassis problem.
Let's see which one's gonna start.
David with a vert, no start. That sounds like a dead battery. Oh! He got it. That one started first. His ignition switch is going bad. So that's... Yeah, once you get that column off, you can like just push on the black thing. And that's the actual ignition switch. And then you should be able to get contact and start the car. Have a good one.
Few of us are going to stop at the gas station, but most of us are going to be out.
Come on, Christian, dap someone up. There you go. You got one.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. Killing the game and I gotta go ask anybody, they all heard about it.